Hello everyone, this is next in the series of image to diagnosis under general sonography, case of urinary tract, fourth in the series. Now this is a 35-year-old woman presenting with severe dysuria of 6 months. So it's the first line, a plain x-ray of the pelvis was done, which as you see revealed vesical calculi 2 in number, and there was an IUCD seen. Now what else you see? Any other finding you see? You are in for a surprise. If you would like, this case is to illustrate the importance of logical analysis of puzzles and keeping an open mind for any diagnosis, and think of extending your scan, either the technique or mode, and think of dynamic sonography. So if you would like to see the workshop of this case, please log on to sonoshare.in, go to image to diagnosis general sonography. Thank you.